Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
For claiming police custody that was given to the judge. We have not seriously opposed it as my clients want to cooperate with the investigation. So now they will be reproduced before the court on 29th December.
On the last occasion also, sir, your client said that he wants to cooperate with the investigation. Today also he said, but he is not supplying the documents because police is claiming that they are not supplying.
See, whatever the police is claiming, we will deal with it at an appropriate stage. I don't want to divulge too much into what our defense is going to be. But they have been there at least from 16. This is a incident which has happened which is site-specific. When they were not even in Goa. And their general managers and other managers also have been in custody for such a long time.
So now they will
but still we are there. My clients are there and they are affording full cooperation.
बर्च बाय रोमियो लेना खातीर एक्सायज लायसन मेळोवपाक लुथरा भाव तशेंच अजय गुप्तान बोगस डॉक्युमेंट वापरिल्ले. दुसरे वटेन लुथरा भावांनी दिल्ली पुलिसांची एनओसी फॉर्ज केल्ली म्हूण चौकशेंतल्यान मुखार आयिल्ले. म्हापशा पुलिसांनी ही केस रजिस्टरूय केल्ली. देखून भावा आड आनीक एक एफआयआर फायल जावपाची चिन्नां दिसताली. ह्या प्रकरणांत आतां लुथरा भावांनी म्हापशेच्या अडिशनल सेशन्स कोर्टान एंटिसिपेटरी बेला खातीर अर्ज केला. ह्या केशींत अजय गुप्ता पयलींच पुलिशेच्या ताब्यांत आसा. म्हापशा अडिशनल सेशन्स कोर्टान लुथरा भावांक फुडले सुनावणे मेरेन म्हणल्यार 30 डिसेंबर मेरेन इंटेरिम प्रोटेक्शन दिला.
I had filed anticipatory bail in respect of the other FIR which has been registered on 17 December. We have advanced arguments before the court. Court was convinced with our arguments and has granted us interim protection in the second FIR. And the matter is now fixed on 30th of December at 2:30 PM. So notice has gone to the PP, who will obviously file his say.
जाल्यार बर्च अग्निकांडात को अक्युज्ड म्हूण अटक केल्ल्या भरताक कंडिशनल बेल दिल्या.
The court has allowed the application for bail filed by Bharat on certain conditions which include a personal bond of 50,000 with one surety, and he has to report to the IO first Monday of every month. And there are other conditions like if he has a passport, he has to deposit the passport, so he is not allowed to leave India with that.